Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is a learning video of market profile for the index Nifty, Bank Nifty and FINNIFTY. Market profile is the base for this channel. Market profile base which the everyday live trading session. We are doing an analysis for index and for stocks as well. So this analysis is for tomorrow, August 9th kana analysis. So before going into the index இன்னைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா repo rate discussions for RBI repo rate discussion. So there is no change in the repo rate policy. So getting back to the Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே PPOC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So இன்னைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is clearly a PPOC created in Nifty and also yesterday and also before to that if you see the POC also in the same range. So Nifty was forming a same range between 24,200 to 24,300. So every time they are trying to maintain the POC within the range. So last 3 days especially Nifty is having a same range of POC between 24,200 to 24,300. So Nifty's today's open was exactly on 24,300 zone and it got perfectly rejected as well as the PPOC is there. So it could not have the buying pressure even though it is a small IB. Nifty there was no buying pressure. So Nifty was trying to go upside and after that what happened, market was trying to balance inside the IB level and further பாத்தீங்கன்னா Reliance also could be a cause and Reliance ஓரளவுக்கு OTF sellers was there in Reliance again. So 2900 which is a very important zone in Reliance again. So Reliance continuous selling இருந்தது but Bank Nifty was supported well in the initial part of the day. So Nifty was almost very stable because Reliance was also getting somewhat a bounce ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு bounce கிடைச்சது. So Nifty was holding the level for a longer time of 24,200 which is an important zone of reference. So 24,200 which is an important zone of reference in Reliance, sorry in Nifty, which is a very important zone and Nifty was able to hold the zone and today's PPOC, especially today's PPOC was created in the zone of 24,200 because we know the importance of 24,200 in Nifty as well because we have been discussing this level for a month. So PPOC creation also happened today in the exact level of 24,200 and market closed below this level. There was no big extensions on both sides and even on IB on upside is not much extension because again 24,400 is a very stronger level of resistance in index. So 24,400 is not allowing the so 24,400 is a good level of resistance. So on the level மேல ஒரு buying pressure is not there. So obviously 24,400 could be a very good level of resistance for Nifty because last few days it was under this level. So 24,400 could be the best level of resistance as well as on top of it also it is having a selling excess. So continuous selling was there right from the level of 24,400. So in case today's POC PPOC it was exactly on 24,200 and today's closing below the level of 24,200. So in case PPOC in the market varanga, that means they are starting from the PPOC have a opening abdina, market will definitely have the level of resistance could be 24,400 and above this level also 24,500 which could be a immediate resistance for Nifty on the first two levels because it was restricted perfectly. Last 2 days especially there was no big IB breakouts and also if you see today also the IB extension was there but was not a healthy extension. But again what happened, market is not allowing this level 24,400 to have a buying pressure. So on above this level definitely price acceptance is required. So in intraday today 24,300 itself is acting as a very good level of resistance in Nifty as per the open interest, as per the market profile, and market started with that level but again it got a very good level of rejection in 24,300 itself and moreover 24,400 is a stronger level of resistance in Nifty. So on downside if this PPOC, so coming from this PPOC level that is 24,200 below or the closing the more or less continue then the immediate zone of reference for Nifty to see is the psychological number of 24,000 which is the exact level of this poor low day. Poor low pathina on August 6th one the exact poor low has been taken at this level. So 24,000 could be the best level if at all market comes below this level of 24,200, which is an important zone of reference. And if you see the today's close, that is above the zone of 2400, and 2400 also was a support zone of for Nifty. Previous times if you see, this is a very good level of support zone. If you see 2400 is a good level of support zone, as well as 24,000 is a good level of support. So 2400 and 24,000 could be a very good level of support zones for Nifty. The first immediate resistance of supports, first immediate support zones. So மேல பாத்தீங்கனாலும் clear-ஆ இருக்கு, and கீழியும் PPOC கீழியும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was exactly 2400 where price got exact closure and the zone-ல தான் இன்னைக்கு நடந்திருக்கு. Below this level 24,000 obviously. And the very important resistance or a very important support zone for Nifty is the excess of this level, that is 23,900, where the excess of 5th August also taken, and also we do have the clear reference of POC. POC is a very important level, and it is a good level for getting any kind of buying support for Nifty if the Nifty goes below 24k. So 23,900 to 950 zone, anywhere the Nifty can take a support. So these are the immediate support and resistance for Nifty. So Reliance பாத்தீங்கன்னா இன்னைக்கு almost வந்து OTF sellers first half la pathina, we are also following the index based stock. So clear PPOC rejection, OTF sellers, a balanced market today. So complete OTF sellers vandanga, market could find a stop here because it was the POC, and then it got a perfect bounce kadachadu. So Nifty was trying to hold this level, that is at the top of 24,200 for a longer time because of the supports it has got from Reliance as well as from BANKNIFTY. So further on, they don't have the buying pressure. What happened? Market was almost in the இடத்துல தான் balance பண்ணிருக்காங்க. That is closing or also down below the level of 2,900, which is a very important zone for Reliance. So Reliance also to be watched because it has completely taken this POC. So balance வந்து perfectா வந்து இன்னைக்கு create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So Reliance also to be watched. So next is BANKNIFTY. So BANKNIFTY பொறுத்தவரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was clearly inside market. It was clearly an inside market of last 4 days. Inside market தான் இன்னைக்கு create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. And exactly நேத்தோட market it was more or less similar to yesterday's level. So நேத்தோட level, whatever the levels yesterday's open and close was in the same place of 5,400. So it was a perfect resistance தான் இருந்தது. So initial balance வந்து if you see market was open above this PPOC, yesterday's PPOC above this level of 5,200. Market was trying to balance here for a longer time, and then IB extension applied. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து HDFC was top of it. HDFC supported BANKNIFTY very well. 1630, which is an important level in HDFC Bank. Every single day we are discussing this HDFC Bank on live. So we are having a very good level for HDFC Bank, that is 1630, which is a very important level. And today if you see, that level was perfectly broken, and HDFC Bank supported BANKNIFTY very well. So initially ஒரு IB oda balance oda breakout கொடுத்தாங்க, and the level of resistance which has been from yesterday onwards 5,400, and the level வந்து they could able to break it today, but again it's a clear rejection zone. So 5,400 is a clear rejection zone. There was no price acceptance. Market was getting so it was getting a poor high. So market almost வந்து கீழ வந்து PPOC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So both index Nifty and BANKNIFTY PPOC creation வந்து இருக்கு, and also if you see the closing was below the PPOC. So intraday la PPOC ஒரு resistance தான் create ஆயிருக்கு, and market was exactly closed at the level of volume factor, which also associated with the level of 5,200. So 5,200 level la வந்து there is a volume and there is a excess on both these days. Perfect support on same place, that is poor low plus the excess of today on the same place. So market வந்து it is more or less inside market of yesterday, but IB extension applied because of the support from HDFC Bank as well. So in case வந்து BANKNIFTY வந்து if it starts from POC of today, that is 5300, which is an important level for Bank Nifty. PPOC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க in case of this level. Then 5400 above, anywhere it could resist because price acceptance is definitely required, and market is not allowing this level 5400 on yesterday and today as well, because even after the closing was not at this level. And also if you see this previous day, market is not accepting this level, having a selling excess on top of it. So every level above this 5400 is a clear resistance zone. So price acceptance is definitely required for Bank Nifty. So the first immediate resistance for Bank Nifty is 5500, and the second level is 5700 to 800. Anywhere it could resist because it is a selling excess. So these are the upside for Bank Nifty. So in case நேத்தோட support தான் இன்னிக்கும் support system work ஆயிருக்கு for Bank Nifty. And if you see, yesterday there was no IB extension, and today the IB on upside. So in case if the market comes below today's POC, that is 5300, then 50,000 to 49,900, anywhere they can get a support, because 50,000 is a very good level of support where buying excess of today form. Also 49,900 is a superb support zone because the last day poor low also took at this level. So in the level தான் ஒரு support system find பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So anywhere between 49,900 to 50,000 Bank Nifty gets a support. If not, then the last 2 days of support, that is 49,800, this could be a better zone to see any kind of support for Bank Nifty. And the main important support zone for Bank Nifty is 49,600, which we also discussed a previous time, 600 to 650 zone, because it has taken many times the poor low and it has placed many times the poor low and also poor high equally. So both resistance and support has been perfectly worked at this level. So this could be a better zone for Bank Nifty to take any kind of support. So if this level comes, Bank Nifty buying opportunity, ஏதாவது buying opportunity அந்த இடத்துல இருக்கா அப்படின்றத வந்து we can also check. So these are the immediate support and resistance for Bank Nifty. But anyway, we'll follow the live, நம்ம வந்து liveலயும் நம்ம வந்து track பண்றோம் immediate and index based stocks நம்ம வந்து we are focusing every single day. So moving on to FINNIFTY. FINNIFTY பொறுத்த வரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was completely yesterday's market ஓட rangeல தான் இருந்தாங்க. So further வந்து market was open above this level, that is PPOC. Market was not having IB downside, நேத்தும் நடக்கல, இன்னிக்கும் IB downside நடக்கல. So market was yesterday also IB upside and today was also IB upside. So OTF buyers வந்து they were very strong and OTF buyers continue ஆனாங்க, and we have a very good selling excess here. So market வந்து it was இது வந்து நம்ம previous callsலயும் நம்ம வந்து previous meetingsலயும் நம்ம வந்து பார்த்திருந்தோம். It was a very good level of selling excess. நிறைய selling excess வந்து back to back வந்து FINNIFTY இருக்கு அப்படின்றத வந்து we also see in live, we also see in earlier days video. So in the back to back ஓட excessம் வந்து ஒரு resistance இருக்கு அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம், exactly at the level of 23k onwards. So market was, it is not exactly going to get rejected at the level, but it could be any of the level within the zone. So அந்த zone குள்ள எங்க வேணா அவங்க reject ஆகலாம். So perfect 23k ல market got rejected. So OTF buyers வந்து they have turned into selling. So GHI வந்து OTF sellers ஆவே இருந்தாங்க. Further it come inside the IB level, IB extension வந்து provide பண்ணாலுமே market come inside the IB extension, and then PPOC also created. So all the index for today as well, it has created PPOC. So 23,900, 870 to 900 la PPOC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. In case market also closed below this level, so in case market வந்து if at all from tomorrow in the level in the market 23,900 if they continue this level, then the first level of rejection or the first level of resistance could be at the excess. So 23k onwards, so 23k to 23,200, anywhere they could resist because it's a long selling excess placed on both the days. Immediate resistance for FINNIFTY is the excess on top of it. And in case market reversed, that is our market was starting from the PPOC on downside, then 22,800, which is a very important zone in FINNIFTY. இந்த லெவல்ல தான் எனக்கு வால்யூமும் அசோசியேட் ஆயிருக்கு. And also if you see the previous day PPOC and POC and PPOC, everything created in 22,800 level. So 22,800 is the checkpoint for FINNIFTY, immediate checkpoint. If this level, minor level of support, if this level breaks, then further the immediate support system for FINNIFTY is 22,700 to 750. Anywhere they can take a support, because both the supports have been taken from 700 to 750 on these many days. So it could be a perfect support system if at all market comes below the PPOC of today. So below this level 22,700 க்கு கீழ பாத்தீங்கன்னா there is a very immediate zone of support which has the poor low of 3 TPOs which has been placed at this level of 6th August. So 22,600, and it is a very important zone of reference for FINNIFTY if the 2 days low has been broken and market comes below 22,700. So these are the upside and downside for FINNIFTY. So FINNIFTY வந்து ரொம்பவும் clear-ஆ இருக்குங்க. மேலேயும் resistance was very nearer and resistance was almost got again resisted today. So இன்னிக்கும் the resistance வந்து it worked very well, and also support system also very clear and it continuously working. So upside and downside is very clear again. So in case வந்து we also track this on live tomorrow. So every index and index based stocks as well, we also have a live discussion. So if you have any doubts also you can comment so that we'll discuss on live, or else if you want any stocks to discuss also you will comment so that we'll discuss about the stocks. Thank you so much and thanks for all your participation. So நீங்க analyze பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் trade எடுங்க. This is purely for education purpose. So kindly do your analysis before you take trade for trading or for investment. Thank you so much.